How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow. Got a quick video for y'all today on some detailed products from a new sponsor, REV Auto Supply, and a quick mod for specific to the Camaro SS 1LE. So without hesitation, it's Friday, and let's get this video started. Well, for those not familiar with my channel, do Camaro mods, car shows, and so forth. Be sure if you like this video to go ahead and smash that like button below and hit the subscribe button. In this video, we're going to be comparing car products from a new sponsor, REV Auto Supply. And it's taken me about a month to actually review this, and before I felt comfortable sharing with y'all, because I know a lot of people can make purchases based off some of my reviews, so I wanted to make sure that I gave you all the best review possible and fully tested it myself. Before we get into that, I'm going to show you all the quick mod I installed, and we'll get right back to the detailed products. Real quickly before we get this video started, I did want to show you all a real quick mod I added. Found this online, and I actually got the idea from a channel called LennyK, and it's a 1LE emblem for your steering wheel, those 1LE owners out there. And he's got a great install video, so I'm not going to show the install. I didn't record it or anything. I used his. So go out and check out LennyK. He's got a bunch of different mods, and mods you don't see on a lot of channels. So be sure to check him out and follow him and what he's doing. But this ended up really looking good. I really like it over the SS emblem that was there. Nothing against the SS, just being a 1LE. You know, I've got an SS emblem on the stick shift, so just wanted something inside the car saying 1LE, and this did the job for me. Well, I do have a new sponsor for the OnlineCarShow, my channel, and that's REV Auto Supply. They just hosted a really cool contest where if you bought every dollar spent on their products went to a entry into getting your car on the front of one of their detail products. So I thought that was real cool. So you could actually get your car on a detail product. And to be honest with y'all, I've been testing this product for a month because I didn't know about the results of a certain product. Talked to a detail guy I know and found I was actually using the product wrong was the problem. So now that I have fully tested the right way, I'm really happy with the results I've seen from this. If you are just to want to test one product alone from REV Auto before you get into anything, this Neo Armor is freaking good stuff. It's like a temporary kind of ceramic coat to where it's real hydrophobic toward water, and it's kind of like a detail spray. You wash your car, simply spray it on afterward, and it leaves a nice protection and shine afterward. This product I was just amazed by. So if you are to just test one product, I'd recommend the Neo Armor. I've also been testing the Breakaway, and this was the product that actually I was unsure of when I was testing, because I'm used to products like the Adams wheel cleaner and the chemical guy, which you simply spray it on, it turns red, you spray it off. But it didn't, of course, get all the dirt and road grime, especially if it's built up. So with this product, it's more of kind of a soap-based product, and it works really good in combination, actually over the Adams stuff, with the combination of a wheel brush, which would be, here's a chemical guy's wheel brush. It's decent and a little soft in my opinion. The Adams wheel brush, which is, I don't really care for the long handle, makes it difficult to use. And then they have their wheel brush, which is, you know, a real cost-effective solution, and it's got some good bristles on it and so forth to get in there. Really good results once I started using wheel brushes on it and cleaning it the right way, and instead of just spraying it on, spraying it off kind of deal. You should take the time and clean them out really good anyways. And this actually worked really good once I started using it that way. You wet the wheel, spray it down, scrub it good with your cleaner, spray it off, good to go. The other thing I've been testing here was the Hoover Shine. And this is a tire shine, just like, you know, your chemical guys, tire shines and so forth. The it leaves a really nice layer over it. I've driven the car for a week now, and literally haven't washed it for a week with the Neo Armor and the Hoover Shine on, and you can still see freaking tire shine on this. And I've gone through puddles of water and everything, and it doesn't leak. It's really easy to get off. So this stuff is really amazing too. I would highly recommend it. I did get the Hydra Wash in a mystery box, and I need to order another mystery box for them and do an opening. But this Hydra Wash is kind of a, you know, if you're going to a car show, you get a little bit of grime on your car or whatnot, or your car's just lightly dirty in the garage or whatever, and you want to clean something off. Hydra Wash is a really good waterless wash. You spray it on, wipe it off. Make sure you spray your towel a little bit you're wiping it down with. Get it moist so you're not scratching the vehicle with the cloth. But highly recommend this too. I'm just not much of a spray-on waterless wash guy, but if you are, it's good stuff. I did compare it to the Jay Leno's Garage, and like the results. They were both really good products in the end, but I felt that this one left a little more of a shine, maybe a wax on it afterward. The last product we've got from REV Auto that I'm yet to test, and actually I'm going to test it here today once it cools down and washing the car's not going to put spots all over the car, is the AU Cream Wax. I'm really excited to test this. As y'all know, the Adams wax runs about $100, so I was unable to even test it. I've been using McGuire's and stuff, which have worked great, but I'm anxious to test this and see how much improvement I'm going to get off of the AU Cream Wax from REV Auto. So be sure to check back for reviews and stuff on that coming up here soon. And that about does it for the products that I've got so far from REV Auto. There'll be many more in the future, and I'm going to continue my car detail series finally. We're going to finish it off by giving a full detail to my son Chris's truck that hasn't seen a wash, I think, in a couple of months here. So it's going to be really cool to see the difference before and after of a full detail using these products. So thank y'all so much for watching the video. Again, if you like what you see here, go ahead and hit that like button below. Hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any future updates. And I always ask you, please share this out on Twitter, Instagram, or whatever social media platform you use. Thank you. Y'all have a great weekend.